All right, time to take a look at the 21-inch fire pit cover. So I do like that it's got this little bag. Okay. That's pretty nice. So we can see on the inside we got this full waterproof seal, so it's got that liner. It's got this kind of like textured colored material. And this appears to also be waterproof, so I think any water would just bead off. Yeah, this looks like a nice... Oh, it's got little handles on it too. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Definitely designed for a round fire pit. My fire pit's a little bit odd because it's kind of rectangular in shape. It's somewhat round, somewhat rectangular, and it kind of widens at the bottom. So I'm curious to see if this one's going to fit on it. And they did also put a logo on here. It's kind of small, doesn't really stand out, so I do like that. It's not like in your face. Cool, let's go see how this thing fits. Cool. So yeah, that fits in nicely, even in that like awkward shaped fire pit. So that's going to help to keep the bugs and critters out. It's going to help to protect it from the elements. These are just a great thing to have.